Hey there. Today, we're going to look at the top 4 best free Minecraft server hosts. So let's get started. First up is Minehut. It is one of the most popular free server hosting platforms for Minecraft. You can host up to 2 servers for free, each with up to 10 players. It is beginner-friendly and works directly from your browser. Next is Server.pro. This platform offers free Minecraft server hosting with basic features and limited slots, but it allows players to get started without spending anything. It also includes support for multiple game types and simple controls. Then we have Eternos. It is entirely free and specifically designed for personal use. Eternos supports automatic backups, mod packs, and has no player limit. It might have a queue at busy times, but it's reliable and easy to use. Last is Scala Cube. Although it is known for paid plans, Scala Cube does provide a free tier with limited performance, making it a good starting point for those testing out Minecraft servers. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.